In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Python on Windows 11. This process is straightforward and will empower you to start coding in Python right away. Let's get started. First, open a web browser on your Windows 11 computer. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Firefox. This step is essential because you need access to the internet to download the Python installer. Once your browser is open, ensure you have a stable internet connection. This will help avoid interruptions during the download process. Next, go to the official Python download page. You can do this by typing python.org/downloads/windows into the address bar. It is critical to download Python from the official site to ensure you are getting a secure and legitimate version. This will help protect your system from malware or harmful software. Once the page loads, you will see various options for downloading Python. Now, download the latest Python installer for Windows. The website typically recommends using either the Python Install Manager or the standalone installer. The Install Manager is user-friendly and simplifies the installation process. After you click the download link, the file will begin downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file, usually found in your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file and click Install Now. This action initiates the installation process. If a dialog box appears with an option to add Python to path, make sure it is enabled before continuing. This step is vital because it allows you to run Python commands from any command line interface, making your coding experience much smoother. Wait for the installation to finish, then click Close. At this point, Python will be installed on your computer. It might take a minute or two depending on your system. Once you close the installer, you are ready to proceed to the next step. The installation process is simple, but it sets the foundation for your coding environment. Now open Command Prompt or PowerShell. You can do this by searching for Command Prompt or PowerShell in the Start menu. This step is important because it allows you to interact with Python through the command line. It might feel a little intimidating at first, but don't worry, you will quickly become comfortable with these tools. Type the following command and press Enter: Python /disref version. This command checks whether Python was installed correctly. If Python is installed correctly, Windows will display the installed version number. This confirmation ensures that everything is set up properly and you can start coding right away. Alternatively, you can install Python from the Microsoft Store, which automatically configures your system and keeps Python updated. This method can be more convenient for some users, especially if you prefer a simpler installation process. However, using the official website gives you more control over the installation options. That wraps up the steps on how to download and install Python on Windows 11. Following these instructions ensures you have a working Python environment for your programming needs. Thank you for watching and happy coding!